In the previous video we have learned about the numbers, which 5-digit numbers we learn. In the 5-digit number lessons we have seen that place value and face value, expanded notation, standard form, comparing and ordering. In ordering, ascending and descending order we have learned in the first lesson of numbers. Okay. Second lesson, fractions. What we have learned? Equal part of whole, half of the object in a set, 1/4 of object in a set, 1/3 of object in a set, breaking into equal shares or groups, comparing and ordering of fractions, addition and subtractions of fractions, equivalent fractions. Points we have learned in the fraction lessons, and your test is also happen from on the lesson of the fractions. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the third lesson. That lesson name is additions, which 5-digit addition numbers we are going to learn. Example, I wrote addition in 5-digit number we have to learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First of all we have know the place value, place of each digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and last one is the 10,000. Okay, these both are 5-digit number. It's called as the addend. In previous class 4th standard you know that these both are additions we are going to do here. It's called as the addends. Now let's the answer. Let's just solve this. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 4, 8. Now we did the addition of both 5-digit number and we get the answer 89,465. This is called as the sum. Addend plus is equal to sum. Okay, the numbers added are called as the addends and the answer we get after adding the numbers is called as the sum. Okay, I hope you have understand the addition is a simple. Okay, now let's see. The first point in addition is without regrouping. Addition of 5-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, now let's see first example. $73,200 number we can take here. 73,241 plus 23,127. Okay, now let's do addition here. First tell me they both are called as the addend and we have to take sum of these both. Now let's do additions. First we know that place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, ones place we do first addition from backs to forward or onward we have to go. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 2 you can count on your finger also. Okay, if you know that you can do the Scrabble of like this and you can count. Okay, I will tell you. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. Now answer 96,368. You have to read also. Okay, 96,368. Now let's see the second example of without regrouping. Okay, now look at the second example. 36,217 plus 41,361 we have to add and we have to take out this sum. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Now answer is 77,578. Okay, I hope you understand the without regrouping. Now let's move second point. Now our second point, addition of 5-digit numbers with regrouping, okay, means with carry, okay. Now first, here I wrote one example. First of all, we have to write the place of each digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and last one is the 10,000, okay. Now let's do additions. 6 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count these whole lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now answer is 13. Ones place we have to write downside and the tens place we have to write the carry. Okay. Now do the next one. Tens place we have to solve now. Once we have already solved there. Now here 1, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Ones place we have to write downside and the tens place we have to write the carry. Okay. Now solve this. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15, 5 downside and 1 is carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16, 6, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Now answer is 76,523. Okay. This is called as the with regrouping or with carry additions. Now let's see the second example. Now let's solve second one. 3 plus 4, 7. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. Plus 6, 15. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8. Now answer 85,087. Solve we have to third. Here I wrote the 23,478 plus 13,634, 34,269. Now we have to arrange first of all like addition forms. First 23,478. Now last second one is from back side we have to write the digit number. Okay. 13,634. 4, 3, 6, 3, 1. Okay. This number we have to write. From back side we have to write. Okay. 9, 6, 2, 4, 3. Now let's do addition. Now tell me. 8 plus 4 plus 9. How many? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 1 we have to write and 20 carry. 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. If you know that, you can do Scrabble, okay, like this. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. 1, 2. Now count whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 answer. The ones place we have to write downside and tens place we have to write upside. Okay. Now next one. 2. Sorry. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Now solve this. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Now answer is 71,381. We have to arrange, okay, first of all, then we have to solve, okay. So now let's see the second another example. First of all we have to arrange here 34,201, 9,841, 34,561. Okay, first of all we have to write first 5 digit, we have to write 34,201. okay, now 9,841, from back side we have to move. Okay, 1 4 8 9. Now this place remains because here 9,841 only given. Now third 1 6 5 4 3. Okay, now do additions. 1 1 1 3, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, 0, we know that. 4 plus 6 10, 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 8 8 plus 5 16, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, plus 4 18, 1 carry. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7. Answer will get 78,603. Okay, from back side you have to write the forward number. Okay, if you write like this number, okay, look, first number you wrote here 34,201, and next one you are writing from here. This is a, and 34, this is a wrong step. Okay, first number you have to write front side from, but second and third number you have to move from the backward to the forward. Okay, like this step you have to use, not this step you have to use. Okay, I hope you understand. Now I will give you homework. New homework, here it is the without regrouping and second one is the with regrouping.